The next letter we are going to do is letter P. The big letter P is like this. I'll write it again. P. And the small letter P, similar way. The small letter P is similar. P. Put your lips together. Say together. P. 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 Now, I have a cake here. Can you see the cake? Okay, now this is the candle. We're going to blow out the candle. The shape of the cake is like a pink pig. Now listen attentively. Puff out the candles on a big pink cake. Puff out the candles on a big pig cake. Puff out the candles on a big pig cake. P, p, p. Put your finger. P. Put your finger on near your lips and say the sound P, P, P. Can you feel the breeze on your finger? P, P, P. That's the sound P. P. Say P, P, P. That's it. Very good. Now, some words please. Pen. We are writing with pen. Pick. Plate. Plate. Pencil. Pencil. Piano. Parrot. Parrot, potato and many other. Pineapple. Many things you can write down. Put your finger. Remember letter P sound. Come on. P, P. Blow out the candle. P, P, P. That's the sound of letter P.